All right, here we go. This is Phonics Lesson 30. Say small. Drop s, what's left. Mall. Say spell. Drop s, what's left. Pell. Say skip. Drop s, what's left. Kip. Say snow. Drop s, what's left. No. Say spark. Drop s, what's left. Park. Say stall. Drop s, what's left. Tall. All right, we have a few patterns today to learn for this lesson. Let's read our first sentence. Do you know whether this is right or wrong? So in this first sentence, we have all of our patterns. So one of our patterns is IGH. IGH says I. It has a long I sound. Another pattern we have is WR. WR just says R, like it's a silent W. We don't say W wrong. We say wrong. So it has a R sound. The next one, or the last one in this sentence, is KN. KN, also the K is silent and we only say the N. So this one says, KN says mm. Now this, do you know whether this is right? This kind of know is not, you can't do it, but I know it with my brain. Let's read this sentence. Ready? See the puppy wiggle. In this sentence, we have the syllable GLE. GLE is an LE syllable. It says gull at the end of words. Let's go ahead and practice our sounds. Here we go. Ready? I, R, N, gull. A, dull. Ed, t, and d. Ow and o. Oo and till. Ah. Der. Bull. A. Oo and u. Ah. S. Gull. O. I. R. Good job. Let's go to read our words. Ready? Look. Sound. G-ols. Read goals. Look. Sound. Wheel. Read wheel. Look. Sound. Sight. Read sight. Look. Sound. Called. Read called. Look. Sound. Wreck. Read wreck. Look. Sound. Read cooked. Look, sound, rap, read, rap. Look, sound, knock, read, knock. Look, sound, right, read, right. Look, sound, tray, read, tray. Look, sound, goose, read, goose. Look, sound, I, read, high. Look, sound, right, read, right. Look, sound, no, read, no. Look, sound, light, read, light. Look, sound, swift, read, swift. Look, read, knee, read, knee. Look, sound, bright, read, bright. Look, read, look, sound, stamping, read, stamping. Look, sound, all, read, fall. Look, sound, night, read, nights. Look, sound, caller, read, collar. And this kind of knights is like the knight in shining armor with princes and queens and kings. All right, now we are going to do our syllables. Here we go. Let's read our first word. It's purple. So let's snap that. Ready? Purple. It has 2 syllables. The second is pull. P-L-E is a L-E syllable. The next one is apple. Let's snap it. Apple. It has 2 syllables. The first syllable is ap. The second is pull. Let's read the next sentence. Next word is simple. Snap it. Simple. Simple has 2 syllables. The second syllable is pull. It's an L-E syllable. This word is giggle. Let's snap it. Giggle. It has 2 syllables. The first syllable is gig. The next word we have is bubble. Let's snap it. Bubble. It has 2 syllables. The second syllable is bull. B-L-E. It's an L-E syllable. Good job. Now we are going to go and we are going to write some words. So the first word that we are going to write is knife. But remember, today we learned that when we hear a N sound, sometimes that's a K and an N. And in this case, that's what it is. So it's a K and an N. Say N. Oh my goodness. I'm having problems. N. I. I And remember, an E at the end makes the I say I. Our next word is wreck. And remember, a WR that we learned today says R. K. And what two letters at the end of a word make a K sound? That's right. It is a C and a K at the end. Our next word is right. R, I, and then remember that the I is I, G, H. That says I. Right. So there's a T at the end. Also, the last word we're going to do is hug. G. Good job. And that's it for our phonics lesson.